Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about a beauty hack. So this beauty hack is about lipsticks, to how to turn your affordable glossy lipsticks into matte. So all you need is a lipstick, a glossy lipstick and a baby powder for this. So it is really great for people who do not wish to buy high-end matte lipsticks and want their lipsticks to stay for a longer time. This beauty hack is going to make your lipsticks stay for a longer time and make them transfer proof. So if you want to know about this beauty hack, then please keep on watching. So the first thing that we need is a lipstick. So I'm using this L18 Colourpop lipstick. I'm in the shade 49. It says it's Pink Delight, and I'm using this because I really wanted to use a drugstore product so that the college girls can just use this lipstick and just make their lips matte and make their lipsticks stay for a longer time. That is the affordable ones. So yes, I'm using this, and mine sort of broke, but I really love this color, so I use a Vega lip liner brush for applying this lipstick. So what I'll be doing is, first I'll be applying this lipstick. If you have super dry lips, then make sure you moisturize them and scrub them before you do this, because this can dry out your lips. So I'm just taking some of the lipstick on my brush and I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Once you have applied the lipstick, make sure you apply the lipstick one shade darker than you want your lips to be. So I have applied it a bit darker than what I want my lips to be. Next, what you need is, you need a sponge. So I'm using this streetwear compact sponge. It is really nice for applying this, for doing this kind of thing. So I'm using this. I use this always, as you can see from the sponge. So I use this for my lipsticks and to make them matte. And the next thing that you need is a baby powder or any sort of translucent powder. I use baby powder because it's extremely soft and really better. And yes, so what you have to do is, you have to dip this. You have to take some translucent powder on your sponge, and you have to just tap it on top of your lipstick, like heavily. I know I look like a ghost right now, but once you have a lot of powder on your lips, so wait for a minute or two and just softly, gently remove the excess powder with the same sponge. As you can see, these are the results that after mattifying your lipstick. So I have used a glossy lipstick, and this is what it looks like after mattifying it. It stays on your lips for a really long time, no matter what you eat and what you drink. This will not be transferred easily, and it's a really great hack. So if you did like my beauty hack, and if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment below if you would like some more videos about these beauty hacks. Till next time, bye.